Hi, I'm MartinaDiaz with Coldwell Banker West. Welcome to my newest listing here at 633 VistaSanPablo in San Diego, California, 92154. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, just under 2,200 square feet. I'm excited for you guys to take a tour. Come on in. Well, thank you again for coming to our home today. If you'd like a private tour, please give me a call. Again, I'm MartinaDiaz with Coldwell Banker West.